it's good afternoon or good evening or something. It's my privilege and my honor to walk the ramp for Gaurang Shah again, because I think his clothes are outstanding. And he represents the weavers of India, which to me is very important, because the weaving art of India is something that needs to be kept alive. And only if we use the fabrics that they weave and use them in fashion, use them in high-profile events, and celebrities wear more of it, will the rest of India be encouraged to keep wearing it? Because otherwise they lose touch with something like that, and more girls are wearing dresses and trousers these days, which is wonderful. Everybody is entitled to be comfortable, but I feel at some point we have to raise our voice for the weavers, and it's always my pleasure to wear these rich, gorgeous textiles that Gaurang, with his so many weavers, is reviving all over India. This year the theme was from Banaras, and Banaras has traditionally been the home of some of the most outstanding textiles. So it was wonderful wearing them. Thank you. Walked onto the ramp just 2 minutes before that. Gaurang told me, we are playing your song from, this is my song from Sardari Begum. I had done Sardari Begum and I had forgotten the lyrics. I said, अभी तो मुझे latest दुनिया के गाने याद हैं. तो जैसे ही वो शुरू हुआ मुझे सारे वापस आ गए. So I thought I'll do a little bit of a dance for you guys.
होली का मौका भी है.
होली का मौका भी है, तो इसीलिए होली में खेलूंगी डट के. रैप पर ही.
It was spontaneous.